Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test after the recent update of 3.0.5. So this is exact update which has been received in the POCO X8 Pro a couple of days back, and right now I'm going to show you how is the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test along with the real-time floating FPS meter. So which lot of users did ask me to upload a video using this real-time floating FPS meter. So finally guys, it is a video for you all on the POCO X8 X7 Pro device. So let's see how is the overall gameplay going to be there and how much battery will also decrease. Right now I'm playing with the 100% brightness, like 100% battery has been charged right now, and I'm going to play the game for a couple of minutes and we'll try to see how is the overall gameplay going to be there in this device. And I'm trying to start the stopwatch also. So there's a stopwatch at this moment which has been on, and I'll try to check the temperature readings at this moment, and you can see the room temperature and the phone temperature right now. So let's start the gameplay, and I'm going to play one time the team deathmatch, and again another time I'll try to play the normal match as well. So first let me try to open the team deathmatch, and I'm using with the 120 FPS. So we'll try to see whether the 120 FPS actually we are getting or not as well in this device in the POCO X1 Pro. We'll try to observe all of these details clearly. So right now we're getting about close to like 90 FPS only, not 120 FPS. As you can see guys, only 90 we're getting 90 FPS. So to get the 120 FPS, I think again you need to go to the settings option and follow the trick. If you are a previous user of POCO X1 Pro, you will definitely know what trick I'm trying to talk about. I think let's go to the apps and search there. There we need to search and clear all the data, and now try to open the game again. Now you should be able to see 120 FPS gameplay. Slowly it will increase, slowly the FPS frames will increase little by little. So from 120 let's find out how is overall FPS it's maintaining. So this is after the recent update. I'm trying to do this kind of testing guys on this So right now I try to record complete gameplay. How is overall gameplay going to be there? How much FPS will actually maintain as well? I'll try to record each and every aspect. So this is of the recent update. I am trying to do this kind of testing on the POCO X8 X7 Pro device. So I'm not that good at gaming, so please bear with my gaming. Yeah. So right now you can see the real-time FPS maintaining like 115, 130, and the temperature start to increase little by little. The temperature right now is about 41.2 degrees Celsius. Did increase little by little the temperature. And after playing for about close to 5 minutes of time, this is what the test results are. 40.8 degrees Celsius right now. On the back side is also 40 degrees Celsius. Overall the phone is about close to like 40 degrees Celsius, 40 and 41. So even after the recent update also still there is nothing much has been improved in terms of the overall like gaming. Let me to do the FPS drop test. Let's see how is the drop test going to be there after this recent update. So right now the battery is still maintaining about 100% only at this moment, not bad. The temperature 40 degrees Celsius. So temperature will definitely increase while doing this kind of testing as well. So right now we're getting about like 60, 70. The FPS is slowly kind of increasing, I guess. Let's see. Let's give the wild boost option. Yeah. So using the wild boost, I did slightly boosted the FPS from 60 to 120. I think the frame rate got stuck at 50, I guess, like 60. So that is the reason I thought of using wild boost turn on and turn off. So immediately it jumped to the 120 FPS. Let me to start the recording. For 5 minutes I'll try to play this game and then we'll try to see how is the overall FPS drop test, team death match versus an angle map, how it's going on regarding the FPS drop test. The temperature right now 40.8 degrees Celsius, 40.6, 40.8 at this moment, not bad. So I started to use the wild boost option now. The FPS it's maintaining pretty good. Not, yeah. Let's try now. So you can say FPS drop test is about close to 117, 116, 112 we're getting. And the temperature is about 40.8 degrees Celsius, still maintaining definitely high temperatures right now. The frame drop did drop to 52 as well. 52, we have seen the lowest frame drops so far. So this is a FPS drop test guys in the while using the team deathmatch in the Battlegrounds mobile game, maximum and the average how much it maintain as you can see. And this is a angle map. Just now I did the drop test. You can see maximum and the average. So this is the quick information guys which a lot of sharing with you all guys on the POCO X8 X7 Pro device. After the recent update, these were the statistics results regarding the battery draining and the FPS test, and I'll try to do the definitely in-depth battery test for playing for 30 minutes of time. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you want to know overall like 30 minutes how much the FPS gonna maintain in the POCO X7 Pro as well. I'll try to do that kind of long-term video on this device very soon. So stay tuned for that. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, see you in the next video and bye.